According to latest media reports, France is likely to offer additional 36 Rafale fighter jets to India during Prime Minister Modi's visit to France from 22 August. The French side is ready to offer an immediate sale of 2 more squadrons to the Indian Air Force that has been grappling with depleting combat force levels. While the 2016 deal for 36 Rafale fighter jets was signed for €7.87 billion, the additional 36 aircraft would cost significantly lesser, because the payment for fixed costs covering India-specific enhancements, training equipment and infrastructure has already been made. The assessment is that France may quote less than €6 billion for supplying 2 more squadrons, and Dassault Aviation could work out tight delivery schedules, in a way that 1 Rafale fighter jet could be rolled out for every month over the next 6 years. The Indian Defence Minister and Indian Air Force Chief are scheduled to visit France on 20 September to receive the first batch of Rafale fighter jets from the French firm Dassault Aviation. Training of the first batch of officers and technicians on Rafale fighter jets is already underway with the French Air Force, which will come equipped with 300 km Meteor systems and 560 km range Scalp air-to-ground cruise systems. The Defence Ministry has said that the products of ordnance factories are of high cost, which also suffers with quality issues, and there is also a lack of innovation in the factories. According to media reports, the government will appoint a high-level committee comprising ministers to create a roadmap for turning government-controlled ordnance factories into defence public sector units. India, China and a few other countries will participate in one of the biggest military exercises in central Russia in September, in which a total of 128,000 soldiers and about 600 aircraft, 15 ships and support vessels will be used. Russia usually conducts this exercise alone, but Russia had invited China in its last edition, and this is the first time India will be taking part in this military exercise. During the 3-day official visit of the President of Zambia to India, Prime Minister Modi has announced that the Indian military will be training Zambian armed forces. Prime Minister Modi has said that the Indian military and the training team of the Indian Air Force will be stationed in Zambia to increase the capacity of Zambian armed forces. Domestic telecom gear maker HFCL has said that it has bagged 3,329 crore rupees order to build and maintain communication network of Indian Army under the Spectrum project. The project will integrate all existing communication structure with advanced internet protocol-based network that will offer secure transmission of voice, video and multimedia data. According to latest reports, Bangladesh has said that the decision of the Indian government to revoke Article 370 of the Indian Constitution was an internal matter of India. This statement comes after various other countries backed the move by Indian government, which includes Russia, France, Afghanistan, Maldives, Sri Lanka and United Arab Emirates.